All right, let's look at reversing keyframes once again. This way, I've done a video on this already, but I want to show you a different method this time. So you can see we've got an animation going along, just like a banner. And what do we want to reverse there? Well, I have shown another method, but this method I think is a little bit quicker. So we're going to start is we're only dealing with this graphic here. Just remove that actually, so we don't get confused. So what we can do is this is about three and a bit seconds long. So I'm just going to extend it a little bit. Basically, nothing happens at the end there, right? So if we go back to the point where it ends, right? That's the sort of start of the reversal. Okay. So how do we actually get into that? Well, the first thing to do is make sure we do a right click on the FX, time remapping, speed. Okay. So there's the first thing you want to do. Step 2 is to go into tools, ensure the pen tool is selected. Okay. And then if we click on here, we can get the animation back. Now, the third thing is to, like I say, get to the end of the animation, which is about here. And we're going to just click on the pen tool there. And that creates these two little blue things there. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to hold down Control. And these buttons may be different on Mac, but it will be, you basically have to use Control and then we'll see Alt in a moment. And we'll hold Control and then drag that on right. And the reason, and you can see why I basically had to extend it initially, because you see it creates these two extra blue thingy-jigs, and they go to the right. So if the right doesn't exist, it won't be able to appear in there. And this is what you want. These arrows pointing to the left, right? So what happens? Well, you can see it goes back, and then it starts going forward again. So it basically creates that. It creates like a weird thing where it goes back and then forward again. Now, we said we wanted to go all the way to the beginning, though, right? So how do we achieve that? Now is where the Alt comes in. So we press Alt on this one, right? So this is going to be the Alt one. You see, as we drag this along, basically you get more arrows. So basically, you just have to go as far as you can. So you see, that's still not enough. So hold down Alt, do a bit more. And this will automatically extend it. Okay, so we didn't need to do it that far. Right? So that's just do. So that's basically it, right? So we've got the start, it goes there, it goes back all the way and goes to the beginning. So that is basically done, right? And then you just basically just need to chop it off at the end. So we do something like this, get rid of that. So let's have a look. So there you go. That is how you reverse the keyframes. So thanks for watching.